of Lego Friends set 41103 from 2015 to 2016, and it is the recording studio. As you can see, this is a full build. You get a seat for Olivia to sit by to do recording, and there's a couch for her to relax. And also this is the area where she does the recording, and this door can open and close, and that's just a screen to hide the background. And you get two headphone pieces, and you get the video recorder, and also the part where she presses for recording, and then the stand with the music notes, and also the microphone. And Olivia's got the other headphones on, and she's got a guitar in her hands. See, this is what set 41103 looks like from 2015 to 2016, and it's the Lego Friends recording studio. And I bought this at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa in 2015. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.